It's go time in Pune. It's the Giants taking on the Bulls. The Bulls are languishing at the bottom of the table, and Paddy, you've been here right from the first day, and look at that. Before I could complete my question for Padamjit Sehrawat,
red out.
Pardeep Narwal has been caught napping. Yeah, he was bought in the auction. Will he start off with a bang? Well, not really. He'll go up to the bench with a whimper. And that's the first moment of some promise from the Bulls in the initial minutes of this matchup, which means that you're guaranteed of action, and it's probably the best trader on the mat. Guman Singh in a defensive fight. Will he manage to sneak his way through? No, the defense was just too good when required.
Throw kick, legend. 10 and under from here now. Pardeep Narwal. P for pressure. Pardeep may have picked up a bonus.
Bonus point. Bengaluru.
Yes, he picks a bonus in the dying seconds of the raid. Best view comes up. The hardest climb. Yes, they have the best view. Do they have two? Yes, they have. 3 versus 1. That defense was gone. It's a rough super tackle. Magar ki Chakar. He targets his partner straight away. As good raiders do, they don't target the corners, they will target the in-one. Up he goes, down he comes. Willie, yes he does! That is a monstrous raid! He might have submitted the Bulls into oblivion! This is humongous! Absolutely, on the badly near touch point. Bonus will be given. It's available on wholesale at the moment, but the touch point, only that will bring about revival. Not gonna happen! Will go on the bench. Gujarat Giants have inflicted the all-out on the Bengaluru Bulls, and that will give them tons of confidence. And 2 extra points. First successful tackle the second half. Overall, they've got 7. Their opponents have 1 more tackle point. And now the Bulls, they were thinking to equalize. They've leaked 1 point though.
44 and 6.
Once again, it's that man. He's turning out to be a thorn in the side of the Bengaluru Bulls.
44 and 6 out.
Deep benefits from the effort so far. Sushil doesn't kick as much, Pardeep doesn't kick at all. Nah, this is easy points. This is easy.
Only 10.5 minutes. HS Rakesh. Can he get his foot across the midline? No, that was a brilliant effort from that Bulls defense. The first time
1 point
that they managed to find an answer to Rakesh. How will it go now for him? How will it go for the Bulls? There's a victory in sight.
Well done, Nitin. And more importantly, very well done, Lucky Kumar. Very sad for the Bengaluru Bulls at the moment. All 3 on one side. Throw a kick. You need to throw a kick. 10 seconds and under. His chances are getting too little, too fast. Go fast. Go hard. Go home.
There you go to the bench.
2 points.
The chances of that being successful were getting slimmer by every passing second. And a rough super tackle that Magar ki Chakar.
There's a chance that you might go on the bench, but at this moment, clarity of thought can take you to unimaginable heights, no doubt about that. At the moment, he's not going as fast. Now he is flat on the mat. Well done, Bulls.
What a way to get to your high five, Nitin Raval. The best defender of PKL Season 11.
Yeah, that will be their only chance at the moment. Sushil, 1. Sushil goes. Sushil kills. Sushil is keeping the Bulls in the hand. Oh, you braveheart. He'll come back hard this time around. Now he falls. Nitin with the kill. The Bulls have the all-out, and the Bulls are back in the game.
With 90 seconds to go, the Bulls have managed to inflict the all-out. This game still has legs. This game still has life.
Sushil the braveheart. Sushil, has he got it? No! Gujarat Giants may just have produced the moment of brilliance.
It could be a tie. The clock is run out. This is the moment.
The Bulls! The Bulls! The Bulls! The Bulls have the final hurrah! The Bulls have the tackle and the Bulls have the tie. This game does not have a winner, but the game of Kabaddi is 1 more time the winner. 34 to the Bengaluru Bulls, 34 to the Gujarat Giants. Oh, Suren, wow, Bulls!